So we'll be looking at the example for which is for a homogeneous function. So we have first example. It says that if u is equal to x cube y cube divided by x cube plus y cube, this function is given to you, then you have to prove that x into del u by del x plus y into del u by del y, this is equal to 3u. So this is the question. So now by looking at this question, you could very easily identify that this function is a homogeneous function. So let's see how. So we have x cube y cube divided by x cube plus y cube. So is this a homogeneous function? Yes. Why? Because when you take x cube out from this one, so you will have 1 plus y by x raised to power 3 divided by, and when you take x cube, here x cube is already present. To make it y by x, what you have to do? You have to multiply by x cube and divide by x cube. So this is what you have to do, and from the denominator you will take out x cube common, so it would be 1 plus y by x whole cube. So here what is the power of x? It is x to the power 6 into y by x raised to power 3, and here you have x cube 1 plus y by x raised to power 3. So this becomes x cube into some function of y by x. So that means it is a homogeneous function of degree 3. So now we can apply the Euler's theorem onto it. We can apply the Euler's theorem, which states that we have for a homogeneous function u having degree as n, x into del u by del x plus y into del u by del y is equal to n into u. So this is the result, and by this result, because we have degree here in this case as 3, this is a homogeneous function of degree 3, therefore this term x into del u by del x plus y into del u by del y, this is equal to 3 into u. So this is the answer, and this is what we were required to prove, because we have to prove that x into del u by del x plus y into del u by del y, that is equal to 3u. So let us now proceed to second question. Now here they are saying if your function u is equal to y by z plus z by x plus x by y, then show that x into del u by del x plus y into del u by del y plus z into del u by del z, that is equal to 0. So now firstly we have to check for the solution. Is this a homogeneous function? So how we will check this? So for that, either you could put the variables, suppose this is the function u, which is a function of x, y, z, and this is given to be y by z plus z by x plus x upon y. So what you can do, you could substitute in place of x as tx, in place of y as ty, and in place of z as tz. So this would become ty by tz plus tz by tx plus tx by ty. So you could cancel out these terms. So you would have y by z plus z upon x plus x upon y. So which is same as the given function x, y, z. So that means it behaves as a homogeneous function. So this is a homogeneous function of degree 0. If this is of degree 0, so that means using the Euler's theorem, so we can apply the Euler's theorem, which states that x into del u by del x plus y into del u by del y plus z into del u by del z, that is equal to n into u. And what is the degree over here? Here n is equal to 0 because this is of degree 0. Therefore, this quantity is equal to 0 into u, which is equal to 0. Therefore, we have x into del u by del x plus y into del u by del y plus z into del u by del z, that is equal to 0. So this is what we were required to prove. So these are pretty simple questions. Let us have a look at one more question. So question number 3. It says that if z is equal to log of x square plus xy plus y square, then we have to prove that x into del z upon del x plus y into del z upon del y is equal to 2. So let us see for the solution of this one. We have the function z as log of x square plus xy plus y square. So now we can remove this log. How? We can take exponential on both sides. So this would be e to the power log of x square plus xy plus y square. So in effect this would be equal to e to the power z is equal to x square plus xy plus y square. So suppose this is our function u. So now we can apply, this is a homogeneous function. Firstly we have to check whether this is a homogeneous function or not. So for that we'll see if this function u, which is x square plus xy plus y square, can this be written in the form x to the power n into phi of y by x. So this is our aim and this is what we are looking for. So for that I can take x square common, so this would become 1 plus y by x plus y by x whole square. So that means you have written your function x square into the some other function in the variable y by x. So that means this is a homogeneous function. Therefore u is a homogeneous function of degree 2. Homogeneous function of degree 2. So we can use the Euler's theorem. So according to that, we have x into del u by del x plus y into del u by del y is equal to n into u. And what is n here? 2. So 2 into u. So we can now substitute the values here of u. So the value is x into the derivative with respect to x of e to the power z plus y into the derivative with respect to y of e of z, that is equal to 2 into e to the power z. And what is the derivative of e to the power z with respect to x? So it would be e to the power z as such and then the derivative of z with respect to x. And similarly y as such and then the derivative of e to the power z and then the derivative of z with respect to y. This is equal to 2 into e to the power z. So now you can take e to the power z as common. So you will be left with x into del z upon del x plus y into del z upon del y. This is equal to 2 into e to the power z. So this term cancels with this one. So finally you are left with x into del z upon del x plus y into del z upon del y. So this is equal to 2. This is what you have to show in the given question.